Hello students, we are in the second part of semiconductor electronics. In the first video, you have studied the classification of materials on the basis of conductivity and on the basis of energy bands. So how are they classified? They are classified as metals, semiconductors and insulators. So in this lesson, we are interested only on the semiconductors. So semiconductors first part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? energy band gap and valence band and conduction band. Next, semiconductor classification was studied. So what are the classification? That is intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor and the pure semiconductor, and the extrinsic semiconductor is impure because we are adding the dopants. Why we are adding the dopants? To increase the conductivity. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ನಾವು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ದಿ extrinsic semiconductor. Extrinsic semiconductor again classified has two types, that is n type and p type extrinsic semiconductor. So in this video you are studying p-n junction. Junction meaning what? Joining of any two roads, any lines are called a junction. So which is joining here? P type and n type is joining here. So this is p-n junction. And next, after the study of p-n junction, you are studying about the diode. Okay, so in this part you are studying about the two formation, that is p-n junction formation and the semiconductor. What is semiconductor diode and the p-n junction diode under the forward bias and the reverse bias. So let us move on to the next slide. In this slide you are studying about the p-n junction, how it is formed. So formation of the p-n junction. Before that, what is p-n junction? It consists of a p-type semiconductor on one side and n-type semiconductor at the other side of a single crystal. It is also known as semiconductor diode or a junction diode or crystal diode. So how is p-n junction formed? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಫ್ ಪಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಯು, ಓಕೆ, ಪಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ? ಟ್ರೈವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ. ಸೊ if the p-type silicon is given to you, you have to add now pentavalent impurity. So pentavalent impurity add ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಈಗ ಪಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಸೆಮಿಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಎನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲಲ್ಲಿ there will be two regions, both the regions, that is p type and the n type region, both region will be present. So that meeting point, that joining of p type and n type is called p-n junction. So in the formation of the p-n junction, you have to study about the two main process, that is diffusion and the drift. Diffusion ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಾ biologically. What is diffusion? It is a movement from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, movement of substances from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಎನ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಪಿ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಪಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದಿ ಪಿ ಟೈಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿ n type, n side. Okay, so you have to pause this video, copy all the text on this slide. Let's move to the next slide. So in this diagram you can clearly see the holes is a majority charge carriers on the p side and electrons is a majority charge carriers in the n side. So diffusion ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಹೈಯರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಲೋವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಪಿ ಸೈಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವ್ಡ್, the electrons layer is formed on the p side and the whole layer will be formed on the n side, and this layer formed is called depletion region. So this process enagutte from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, that is called the electron diffusion, and from the p side to the n side it is called hole diffusion. Clear? Then what is drift? Drift means what? See, look at the depletion region only. ಈಗ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ electrons, the negative sign, and this acts as the fictitious battery. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ it has two terminals, one is positive and the other is negative terminal, and this due to this electric field from the fictitious battery, the electron on the p side of the junction move towards the n side, okay, and the hole on the n side move towards the p side. So the motion of the charge carriers due to the electric field is called drift, and the drift current and the is opposite to the direction of the diffusion current. So what is electron drift? Electron drift ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, p side ಇಂದ n side ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and hole drift from the n side to p side, but electron diffusion is n side to p side and hole diffusion is p side to n side. So in the formation of the p-n junction there are main two process, that is diffusion and drift. So the diffusion alli enagutte, the higher majority charge carriers are moved towards the other sides, okay. Drift, when the drift process starts, because of the fictitious battery andre false battery, that is which acts as a fictitious battery, that is a depletion region due to the electric field of the junction. Ee junction alli electric field inda electron will move towards the p side. So electron on the p side will move towards the n side, and the hole on the n side will move towards the p side. So the electron drift and hole drift is happens here, okay. Next one, the potential difference developed across the junction is called the barrier potential or the junction potential barrier. So why it is called the barrier? Here I told you it acts as the battery, okay, false battery or the fictitious battery. ಈಗ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಅಪೋಸಸ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಓಕೆ. ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಅಡೆತಡೆ. ಈಗ ಅದೇನು ತಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ stop the flow of, oppose the flow of holes and electrons across the junction. So it is called a barrier potential, okay. In the next slide you are studying the definition of the depletion region. So the space charge region on the either side of the p-n junction which is formed by the depletion of majority charge carriers is called depletion region. So how the depletion region is formed? By the diffusion of majority charge carriers. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ ಪಿ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದರ ಡಿಫ್ಯೂಷನಿಂದ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ರೀಜನ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ electrons. These are the charge region on either side of the p-n junction, okay. In both the side there will be a region, charge region, formed by the depletion of majority charge carriers is called the depletion region. So this is a graph drawn. What is that? Barrier potential under no bias means they are not connected to the battery, okay. So this is a graph for the depletion region or the barrier potential, okay. Barrier potential is what? Potential offered by this fictitious battery, that is the depletion region, okay. Stop the video and write down and draw the diagram. Both the diagrams you have to draw. Next is semiconductor diode. So what is semiconductor diode? semiconductor diode is basically a PN junction with a metallic contacts provided at the ends of for application of external voltage. So while studying the PN junction only, you have studied PN junction is nothing but the diode or the crystal diode anta kaltidri. So ಈಗ semiconductor diode ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, PN junction, it is nothing but the main PN junction with a metallic contact, and this ends are connected to the external voltage. External voltage andre we usually connect it with the battery. Okay, so in the first slide after the PN junction ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಡಯೋಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಬಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ. ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕಲಿ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ like this. Okay, and this triangle is positive terminal and the line indicates the negative terminal of the diode. Clear? So what is the semiconductor diode? It is basically PN junction with a metallic contacts provided at the ends for application of external voltage. So a metallic contact will be provided on the either ends of the semiconductor diode, and it is a two terminal device because two terminal is needed to connect it to the battery. Clear? Pause the video and draw both the diagram with the text on the slide. Let us move to the next slide. Is PN junction under forward biased. Bias means what? The two sides are connected to the two terminals of the battery. See here in the diode, P side is connected to the positive terminal and N type is connected to the negative terminal. Then it is called forward biased. So here what happens when the semiconductor diode is forward biased? The depletion region, see here, you can see here in the first point, the width of the depletion layer decreases. Why it decreases? External voltage, external voltage V enu, that is from the battery in the voltage is opposite in direction to the barrier potential. Barrier potential ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? This is the from the depletion region. From the depletion region the barrier potential is offered because this acts as the fictitious battery. And next point is height of the barrier potential decreases. So what VB in the VB minus V ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. VB is what? Barrier potential offered by the junction. Okay, then minus VB decreases to VB to VB minus V. V is the external voltage. The height of the barrier potential decreases. Why it is called a barrier potential? Because it opposes the flow of electrons and holes. Next is current increases when forward bias voltage increases. When forward bias voltage ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Applied voltage ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ current ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When the voltage, applied voltage V approaches to the potential which is equal to the barrier potential VB, large current flow through the diode. So means what? If the voltage increases, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ current ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so what happens? The 3 points. First one, when the diode is forward biased, when the depletion region decreases because the external voltage is opposite to the barrier potential VB. Next one, height of the barrier potential decreases, that is VB to VB minus V. Current increases when the forward bias voltage increases. When the applied voltage V is equal to the barrier potential VB, then large current flows through the diode. Here the resistance offered by the junction is few ohm. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನು, ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ದ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ, ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ there is easy movement of the charge carriers. Therefore the resistance offered is very few ohm, but the current is in milliampere. So ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ಡಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಿಲಿ ಎಂಪಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸಿಗೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಎಂಪಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಎನ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ reverse bias. So PN junction is the reverse of the forward bias. The diode, the P side of the diode is connected to the negative terminal and of the battery, and N side of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So this is called the reverse bias. Reverse andre meaning ಏನು, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. ಈಗ P side ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ is connected to what, the negative terminal of the battery. So what happens when the semiconductor diode is reverse biased? So width of the since it is a reverse of the quite opposite to the forward bias, it should be the width of the depletion layer increases. In the forward bias what happens, it will decrease. Why it will increase here? Because the direction of the applied voltage is same as the direction of the barrier voltage VB. Here you can clearly see, ಈಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಟಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಡಿಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ರೀಜನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬೇರಿಯರ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಆದರೆ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ opposite direction ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ from the battery, from the positive terminal, the current flows in this direction, and from the junction also the current flows from the same direction. Since it is in the same direction, the barrier potential and the external voltage is in the same direction, the width of the barrier junction increases. Next one, the barrier potential, the height of the barrier potential increases by the VB plus V. Means what, VB ಅಂದರೆ barrier potential ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ height of the barrier potential increases to plus V. Okay, so this is the diagram. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ NCERT ಬುಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗೈಡ್ ಬುಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. Next, moving to the next point, that is the majority charge carriers cannot cross the junction because therefore the current is almost zero. Because why majority charge carriers cannot? The majority charge carriers here is what? The negative, the electrons. It cannot move. It cannot cross the junction. So therefore the current is very low. It is almost zero in reverse bias. Clear? However, very small reverse current flows due to the minority charge carriers. Forward bias ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು because that current is due to the majority charge carriers. But here the current will be present. If it is present, it is in a very small quantity. That small quantity current is due to the minority charge carriers. The current in a reverse bias is independent of the applied voltage. So ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡಯೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್. So up to how much voltage, that is the critical voltage VBR, that is the breakdown voltage tanka, it is independent of the current in the diode is independent of applied voltage. Up to which voltage, that is the VBR, that is breakdown voltage. Once the voltage is equal, the applied voltage is equal to the breakdown voltage, then what happens, the reversed current through the diode becomes sharp. Okay, I have written increases sharply. Okay, when the V is equal to VBR, the reverse current through the diode increases sharply. The junction offers high resistance and current is in microampere. So symbolically correct ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ milliampere and here microampere. The current is very small because the high resistance is offered by the junction. Okay, when the current flows sharply increases, when the applied voltage will be equal to the breakdown voltage. So here are the differences between the forward bias and the reverse bias of PN junction semiconductor diode. You can note down and study this. Clear? So this first difference is the definition of forward bias and reverse bias. And as I have said already, the current in the forward bias is due to the majority charge carriers. The current is due to the minority charge carriers in case of reverse bias. And the thickness of the depletion region, that is junction layer, decreases, and here increases. Next, the diode offers the low resistance, and this the diode in the when it is in a reverse bias, it offers the high resistance. Why it offers the high resistance? Because the current is very low. Due to the high resistance, the current is low in the reversed bias. The diode behaves as the off switch. Off switch and the current is almost zero, and diode behaves as the on switch, means what? The current is high. Next,